BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So over the last couple of months, we've been having a look at how you can organize tabs using artificial intelligence in both Microsoft Edge and also Google Chrome. Now, because tab group organization using artificial intelligence is becoming a more prominent feature in both the stable version of Google Chrome and also the stable version of Microsoft Edge, I thought this may be a good time to show you a comparison of how open tabs are organized in Microsoft Edge and also Google Chrome. Now, I know we've had a look at this feature individually in both browsers before, quite in depth, but we've never kind of done a quick comparison just to show you the differences on organizing tab groups automatically using artificial intelligence. Now, first of all, starting in Microsoft Edge, and I actually think in Edge it's a very quick and simple way how you do this. And first of all, we head up, as mentioned previously, to our tab actions menu in the top left of the browser. We click on that, and now you see group similar tabs, which is still in preview, and that means you could expect a couple of bugs. And I have noticed using this feature though over the last couple of months that there are a couple of glitches and stability problems, and sometimes it doesn't work that well. But nonetheless, we click on group similar tabs, and that will just use AI, artificial intelligence, just to gather some information. And there you can see it's automatically creating those tab groups using AI, and it's placed it into Windows, YouTube, and Microsoft. And then I click on group tabs, and there we go. There's my 3 individual tab groups, which I actually find quite efficient in the Microsoft Edge web browser. Now, heading over to Google Chrome, and organizing tabs using AI is a feature that's still on a controlled rollout in Google Chrome in the stable version, as I have posted with the update to version 121 of Google Chrome, which is the latest release. So for this, I can't show you this in real time because the feature hasn't rolled out yet in my region. But just to head over to 2 GIFs provided by Leo once again on X, and this will give us a good idea as what this feature and how this feature works using AI to organize your tabs. So here we go, and you can see now in Google Chrome, you right click on that tab, you click on organize similar tabs, and there you go. And then you click on create group, and you can see we head to another one, organize similar tabs. You get the idea. And then you head back and you click on create group. Now, that's one way in Google Chrome for desktop, and there's also another way how you can do this. And there is another way to group tabs in Chrome that may be a little bit more efficient than right clicking. So if we just play this GIF, you can see we head up to the tab search in the top left, as I've mentioned, and we click on organize tabs in that flyout menu. Check if tabs can be organized, check now, and that's organize it into a tab group, and there you go. And then you can create that group, and there we go, it's popped that into that tab group. Now, if you want my personal opinion regarding both browsers and organizing tabs using AI, I personally feel that Microsoft Edge has nailed the feature a lot better than Google Chrome currently. And Google has taken quite a long time to start pushing this out to the stable version of Google Chrome. And I feel that Microsoft Edge, in the Edge browser, it is a lot more efficient to group your similar tabs using AI than in Google Chrome. Personally, I just think, as mentioned, there are a couple of bugs, so let's try that again. And I think it's just a lot quicker when the feature works, and because this is still in preview in the stable version, but I think it's just a lot more efficient in Edge compared to Chrome. It just gets the job done simply and easy, and I just think I personally am drawn more towards how you do it in Microsoft Edge. But nonetheless, and maybe Google will do a little bit more work in their browser, but I just want to do a quick comparison in case you would be interested. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.